One of the most talked about serums these days is the hyaluronic acid. I'm going to review the one from Timeless Skincare. Let me tell you what is hyaluronic acid and some of its benefits. Hyaluronic acid is a sugar found naturally in our skin that holds water and helps keep the skin hydrated and plump. The ingredient is a molecule that occurs naturally in the skin, binds to water to plump up the skin and give it its dewy, glowy effect. Some of its benefits are that it promotes skin cell regeneration by offering extra hydration and barrier protection to the skin. It also helps reduce and prevent age spots and pigmentation issues when used with vitamin C serum, and it also adds moisture to the skin. Hyaluronic acid prevents the overproduction of oil that clogs pores and causes breakouts. So I've been recently trying this one here for the past couple of months from Timeless Skincare, and they say it is 100% hyaluronic acid serum. They do also make a couple of claims on their website saying that this product is paraben-free, fragrance and dye-free, cruelty-free. Although not sure if they sell in China, because if they do, it wouldn't be due to the laws in China. It does have a smaller ingredient list from the other products I've tried before, and what I'm glad about that it does contain fewer chemicals. As you can see here, the serum does come in a glass dropper bottle. I have the 1 ounce bottle, which is priced at $10, but you can get it in a 2 ounce dropper bottle or even an 8 ounce pump bottle, which I think is really cool. I got mine from an Asian beauty website, but they do not sell this anymore. So I found it on their Timeless Skincare US website, which I will link up here for you to see. And I've also found their UK website. And like always, I will also put a link to Amazon in the description box down below. I really like the texture. It's runny and it's very water-like and absorbs quickly into the skin. Hyaluronic acid has to be used on damp skin. People have often told me that this acid makes their skin even drier, and that's because they were not using it correctly. If you have ever made a mistake of using it on dry skin, it can end up drawing moisture from the deeper levels of your skin, which in turn will cause more harm than good, and leaving your skin feeling tight and very uncomfortable over time. The common misconception is hyaluronic acid is only for people with dry skin, but actually it works well for every skin type, including oily, as it helps rebalances the skin. Hyaluronic acid works well pretty much with most of the skincare ingredients, including retinol, vitamin C, alpha hydroxy acids, which is AHA, including beta hydroxy acid, which is a BHA. So you don't need to worry about reworking the rest of your routine. I love this serum, but I'm biased. I love hyaluronic serums in general. I chose this specific one even though it is a little expensive than the Inkey list or the Ordinary, because it has a minimal ingredient list. I use the serum exactly how a hyaluronic acid serum has to be used. I will start off with toning my face, then following up with this hyaluronic acid serum. Then I will go in with my second serum, which is a vitamin C or a tranexamic acid serum, and then I go in with my moisturizer. I do see myself buying this in the future. That's it for this review. Thank you so much for staying till the end and watching. If you like this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, I suggest you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all in my next. Bye!